Compressor all-part name. Here is a more detailed list of all the major parts of a compressor. Number 1.
Motor. The motor is the component that drives the compressor and is typically powered by an electric motor.
Number 2.
Compressor housing. The compressor housing contains the motor and the compression chamber.
Number 3. Compression chamber. The compression chamber is where the refrigerant gas is compressed. Number 4.
Suction valve. The suction valve allows the refrigerant gas to enter the compression chamber.
Number 5.
Discharge valve. The discharge valve allows the compressed refrigerant gas to exit the compressor.
Number 6.
Piston or scroll. Depending on the type of compressor, there may be a piston or scroll that compresses the refrigerant gas.
Number 7.
Connecting rod. The connecting rod connects the piston or scroll to the motor.
Number 8. Crankshaft. The crankshaft converts the rotational motion of the motor into the reciprocating motion of the piston or scroll. Number 9.
Oil pump. In some compressors, there is an oil pump that circulates oil to lubricate the moving parts of the compressor.
Number 10.
Oil separator. The oil separator removes oil from the compressed refrigerant gas before it enters the condenser.
Number 11.
Discharge line. The discharge line carries the compressed refrigerant gas from the compressor to the condenser.
Number 12.
Suction line. The suction line carries the refrigerant gas from the evaporator to the compressor.
Number 13.
Pressure relief valve. The pressure relief valve is a safety feature that prevents the compressor from becoming overpressurized.
Number 14.
Service valve. The service valve allows the system to be evacuated, charged, or serviced.
Number 15.
Terminal box. The terminal box contains the electrical connections for the motor. These are the main parts of a compressor, but there may be additional components depending on the specific design of the compressor.